Hello my friends and welcome once again to another episode of Tony's Comfort Kitchen. And today I'm cooking possibly most people's favourite Mexican dish. I'm doing a chicken fajita. It's simple, it's delicious, so let's get cooking. So first of all, we need to make that wonderful delicious fajita spice mix. So here I have my spices for my fajita spice mix. Right, first of all I have 1 tablespoon of ground cumin, 2 teaspoons of salt, 1 heaped teaspoon of dried oregano, 2 heaped teaspoons of hot smoked paprika, 1 heaped teaspoon of chili flakes, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, and about 1/3 or 1/4 of a teaspoon of dried thyme. Now with that I'm also going to add 3 tablespoons of soft brown sugar. I'm going to put everything into this container. I'm not sure how I'm going to get all this in there, but I'll try it. Yeah, clearly didn't think this bit through too well. Not the easiest stuff to get into a little pot like that. And I'm also going to add some nutmeg, a good scrape of nutmeg. Again, about 1/4 of a teaspoon. Should do. I'm going to put a lid on and mix it up. And that is our fajita spice mix. Next, I'm going to take 2 chicken breasts and slice them across the breast, or across the grain, as it were. Take off any sinew like that, any fat. Like I say, cut them into strips, and there we have it. Some are bigger than others, it doesn't matter. Strips. And now I'm simply going to marinate the chicken with the spice mix and a bit of olive oil. Now, this amount of spice mix I've made up, there's more than you need for this dish. It's probably enough for about 2 dishes, so you can keep it in the fridge in the meantime. Just add a good splash of olive oil and then mix it all together. Just get your hands in there and make sure you give your hands a good clean afterwards. When it's done, just put it in the fridge for a minimum of 2 hours. And after 2 hours, I'm going to add about 1 tablespoon of olive oil to a frying pan. And I'm going to cook the chicken in batches. I don't want to overcrowd the pan because I actually want this chicken to sear. I want it to be a bit nice and crisp on the outsides, as you will see. So after about 4 to 5 minutes, as you can see, it's nice and seared on one side. I'll turn them over and cook them on the other side for slightly less, about 2 to 3 minutes. Don't they look amazing? As I say, cook them in batches, put them to one side afterwards, and then in the same pan with this same oil from that chicken, I add 1 onion slice, 1 medium onion slice, and let it cook in that lovely flavoured oil that we cooked the chicken in. And at the same time, I'm going to put half a red, half a yellow, and half a green pepper in there, plus 3 cloves of garlic sliced, We'll just cook them to a they're softening a little. The smells that are coming off this pan right now, I have to tell you, my friends, is absolutely fantastic. And now I'm going to sprinkle a little bit more of my fajita spice mix. About half a tablespoon. That's to send the aroma into another dimension. And now I'm going to add the chicken back in, plus all those juices.
And the dish is almost finished, just one little ingredient left to add.
I'm going to add the juice, one lime.
And that's it, the dish is finally finished. All that is left now is to dish it out, put it onto some warm tacos. And here we have a taco. First of all, I'm going to put a dollop of sour cream on there, spread it over the entire taco. Spread some shredded iceberg lettuce into the centre. Then get our chicken fajita and place it on top. Make sure you get some of those peppers. And then finally I use some feta cheese. Obviously I can't get a hold of Mexican cheese here in the UK. So, and then just a case of picking it up and tasting. And there we have it, super simple, super tasty chicken fajita. Thank you once again for watching. If you did enjoy this video, please consider subscribing. And if you do, please also hit that notification bell and you will be notified of any videos that I upload in future. So take care, peace, love, and I'll see you all very soon.